basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start off with having my hair out like this. As you guys can see, this is an old wash and go. I just been putting it up. So this is my water bottle. I like to fill up with water, glycerin, and lavender essential oil. And I basically just shake it up and I spray it all over the dry parts of my hair, just like this. I just make sure I spray the ends pretty much, and that's just getting moisture in my hair for when I wrap it up into my high little turban bun type of wrap. You can use whatever essential oils that you want, whatever spray that you want. It really doesn't matter. I just took an old bottle from Carol's Daughter, the black vanilla leave-in conditioner. I was done with it, so I just used the empty bottle and I put distilled water, lavender essential oil, and glycerin. So now I'm going to start the wrapping process. So the first thing that I do is I take a scrunchie, a small scrunchie or a scrunchie of your choice. It really doesn't matter, just as long as you have something to wrap your hair up in the bun at the top of your head. I do want to emphasize something before I do the bun. You do not need a lot of hair to do this wrap, because I know a lot of people think that you need a big ass bun to do the wrap, but you don't need a big bun to do the wrap. You just need a wrap that has a lot of fabric. That's it, okay? You can have a baby bun. You know, not all of us have a lot of hair, and that's okay. It's nothing wrong with that. So yeah, you just need to make sure that you have a wrap with a lot of fabric, like so. Like this is the wrap I'm going to be using today. It's pretty long. It's long and it's stretchable. I love these wraps. You just need a stretchable wrap, and yeah, that's how you can get the bun to be big on your head. Ooh, I'm shedding. It's definitely time for wash day. I'm just being a procrastinator. Basically what you want to do is take all of your hair and you want to put it all the way to the front of your head to get this look. So I'm doing this just like this. You spray this just to moisturize the ends and stuff like that, but if you want to take a spray bottle just with pure water, that's it, and dampen the perimeter of your hair so that it's easier for you to pull your hair up at the top of your head, I highly recommend that. That's what I'm going to do now because I didn't do that before. I'm going to take my spray bottle with some warm water and I'm just going to rub that in, because the point is to get your hair to go on top of your head. You just want to wrap it. Doesn't matter, don't want it too tight. It doesn't have to be too tight. You just want to wrap it and boom. Leave it at the top of your head like that. Make sure that your bun is it's sitting on top of your hair like this. The bun doesn't have to be perfect because you're not wearing it out. Obviously you're going to wrap it up, so it doesn't matter if it's perfect or not. So you just want it to be sitting at the top of your head like this. This is completely optional. I'm going to use a bristle brush to really just like smooth my hair up in different areas. And I already have like edge control and product on my hair from previously, so my hair is probably gonna lay down a little bit anyway. So this is just to really smooth parts of my hair up so that when I wrap it, I don't really have to mess with my edges like that. And then I'm gonna take the wrap and I'm going to start to wrap my hair. So you're gonna put your head down like this and just make sure that it's covering the back part of your head. You're gonna pull it because it's stretchy and take both sides like this and cross them like that. So now that you've taken both sides and you've crossed them, you're going to just twist them around the bun. The bun acts as like a placeholder, and it is very beneficial if you do have a lot of hair, you have a big ass bun, but you don't need a big ass bun to do this. You don't, because there's been times where I have like basically a tinier bun. This is a loose bun. I've had a tighter bun and I've still made this huge. It's just a placeholder. It just acts as a guide when you're wrapping your hair. So yeah, you just wrap, you keep wrapping until you don't need to wrap anymore, and you wrap to your liking. It's not a actual method to this. You just wrap it around until it looks like what you want it to look like. And then what I do is I just tuck it in different spots that I find an opening at, and let me just fix this a little bit. That's it. That's pretty much how I make my big wrap turban looking thing that a lot of people ask me about. And then like this part of my hair is always kind of like out because of the way that I wrap. I always make sure that I cross it to where it makes this like swoop type of look like this, so that's a little bit feminine, you know. I like it like this. I just naturally started to do it like this. Sometimes if you do cross it, you can cross it directly in the middle, but I always cross it to where it's at an angle so that I can get that swoop. For like edges and things like that, I don't really like to mess with my edges too much when I have hair wrap on, because a lot of my hair will come out and it'll just look messy. That's why I like to brush my hair up first and then wrap it, so that I don't have to worry about the edges really being that visible or my hair just being messed up under it. It's already pulled up, and then whenever I'm done wrapping, I can just do this and it looks a lot natural and not too extra out. I like things to just look effortless. I think the biggest thing with this is finding a fabric that stretches so that it's easier for you to pull it and really get it secured on your head, because I find that like other wraps are just not, they're gonna be loose. To me, they're gonna be loose, or they're just not gonna hold my head tight enough for me. And these wraps, it makes it feel so secure when you put them on. And I do this all the time. It's like a ritual. I don't know. I'm just used to doing that. I just wrap my hair on Saturdays and Sundays when I don't feel like doing my hair, or, you know, right before wash day. Like, today is wash day. I'm going to wash my hair today. But I just wanted to get on here and show you guys how I actually do the wrap. And yeah, I'm going to get up close so you guys can kind of see. Shades of Africa. I will link their stuff down below so you guys can click on their stuff. Yeah, they have some dope hair wrap. I'm gonna get started on my wash day now. Thank you guys for watching.